If you want to add your products, affiliate products to the saved list on YouTube Shopping, I show you how you need to do that on iPad. So the thing is, you need to open Safari or any other browser. I just open Safari and just click the plus icon and Google and just type studio.youtube.com and search, and long press over the first link, YouTube Studio. Open in new window, click the three dots and full screen. So I directly came to this page. If it goes to YouTube app, redirects to YouTube app or YT Studio app, you just minimize this and uninstall the redirecting app. Came back here and try to sign in, then it will be work. If you see sign in here, you just sign into your YouTube account. If you want to change the YouTube channel, click the profile, switch account and change the account. For me, it's this one. Now just click the content and open the any video. I just open the first video. Scroll down. Then here you can see this option products. For me, I already added some products. In case if you don't add any products, still you can see this options. You just need to click pencil icon and shop and select the shop e-commerce platform you want to add the product. It different for different countries. For me, I have 4 e-commerce platform. I just choose the second one, apply, and these all I already added products. You just click the search and type the product name you want to add. I just type AirTag. Actually, I want to buy the AirTag. I wish to buy, so return. Here comes the AirTag. So it's like Apple. So you just click the plus icon. So it's added. Now you can see the save option. Just click save. That's it. Added to saved products. Done. Don't forget to click the done. You need to click done. Now it's added. Now I show you. So saved products. Boom. You can see AirTag were added to saved products. So this is how you need to do. And if you want to know more videos about YouTube, you need to watch this playlist.